Hey, I'm Jacob with eXp Realty, and I'm absolutely thrilled to be showing you my latest listing. Today, I thought we'd go take a look at this house using magic. Alohomora! Hocus pocus! And for my next trick, I'm gonna make this bedroom disappear. Alakazam! It's actually a really cool bedroom though, so I'm gonna make it reappear so you could go check it out. Open sesame! And lastly, I'm gonna show you the bathroom by transporting there. Alakazam! Cut! And action! Ta-da! Thank you so much for coming on this home tour with me today. Be sure to reach out to schedule your personal tour because this home is the ace of spades.